If you're a small business owner, you know that efficiency isn't just a luxury, it's absolutely essential. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through using ClickUp to streamline your business management, saving you time and making your daily processes smoother. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up, customize, and use ClickUp templates so you can focus your energy on growing your business, not getting stuck in admin work. Let's dive right in. Once you've opened ClickUp, start in your home view. This is pretty much your command central, and from here you'll navigate over to your team space. If you're new, the team space is where your business tasks, projects, and workflows are organized, kind of like your virtual office. To get started with templates, hover your mouse over your team space and you'll see three little dots appear. Go ahead and click those. These three dots are a gateway to loads of helpful options, and we're looking for templates right now. Select Template and then click Browse Templates. You'll notice a library pop up. Think of this as a selection of jumpstarts for common business needs. Here, where the magic happens. In the search bar, type in something like business management. You'll get a bunch of template options tailored for managing everything from sales pipelines to project tracking. Take your time browsing. Each template is a starting point, so read through the descriptions and pick one that matches how your business runs. For example, if you handle lots of client projects, a project management template might be your best bet. If you're more focused on internal operations or team tasks, opt for something that suits your workflow. Once you've found a template that seems like a good fit, click Use Template. Now you'll get the chance to name your template. Choosing something clear and specific is helpful, especially if you end up using several templates over time. For example, 2024 Project Dashboard or Client Onboarding Tracker. That makes it much easier to keep everything organized. Before you hit that final Use Template button, take a moment to customize. ClickUp lets you adjust everything from custom fields and statuses to task lists and priorities. Don't worry if you're not sure what all the options mean at first. You can always return and tweak things later as your business grows or your needs change. Maybe you want to add a status for waiting on client feedback or remove unnecessary fields that you know your team won't use. Customizing here ensures that the template really matches how you and your team work, instead of forcing you to adapt to someone else's system. If you ever want to rename your template, that's super easy too. Just click the name and update it. You can also continue editing and customizing your template as you use it. Here's an important tip. Whenever you make changes, adding a new field, updating a workflow, or modifying a checklist, make sure to update the data across your template. This keeps everything consistent, avoids confusion, and ensures your team always works off the latest process. Think of it like updating the instructions in a recipe. If you change a step, everyone needs to know so you all get the same results. And a little advice for you, don't hesitate to experiment. Templates are low risk. You can always duplicate or revert back if something doesn't work out. And remember, the goal is to free up your time and reduce repetitive tasks. So keep tweaking until the template feels almost like an extra team member, always ready to help. So that's it. You've just set up ClickUp to help you run your business more efficiently, giving you more time to focus on the important stuff. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to drop any questions or tips you have in the comments. I'd love to hear what's working for your business. And if you want even more time-saving tutorials, subscribe to the channel. There's lots more coming your way. Thanks for watching.